The rollout has also been surprisingly very quick from the company, as most WhatsApp users have already got the option to initiate a group voice or video call on their device. If you are wondering how to make a group video or voice call on WhatsApp on your phone, follow the steps below. Do note that at maximum, you can have 4 participants in a single group voice or video call on WhatsApp. Just like messages, group voice and video calling in WhatsApp are also end-to-end encrypted. How to make a group voice call in WhatsApp. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone, and proceed to head over to the contact whom you'd like to do a voice call at. Step 2. On the top right corner, tap the voice call button to initiate the call. Step 3. Once the caller has picked up your call, tap the plus shortcut on the top right corner of the display to add another participant to the call. How to make a group video call in WhatsApp. Step 1. Similar to a voice call, you open WhatsApp and open the chat box with the contact whom you'd like to do a video call. You will find the video call shortcut on the top right corner. Step 2. Once you are in a video call with one participant, tap the plus button and proceed to select the third participant of the video call. In a similar way, you can add a fourth participant to your video call as well. WhatsApp is incredibly popular in Asian countries like India, and the addition of group voice and video calling to the platform is going to be extremely popular among users of the app in these countries. WhatsApp has also ensured here that its group video or voice calling works properly on slow internet connection without much of an issue, which is always an added bonus.